In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. If you previously blocked a connection or a profile and now want to restore access, I'll walk you through the exact path inside LinkedIn's settings, plus a few helpful tips so you know what to expect afterward. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website. Make sure you're on the genuine site before you proceed. You should see the secure padlock in your address bar. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top navigation bar and select the Me menu. This is the menu that opens when you click your profile photo. From that dropdown, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all your account controls, including privacy and visibility preferences. Inside Settings and Privacy, go to the Visibility section. This area manages who can see your profile and activity, and it's also where LinkedIn organizes your blocked list. Within Visibility, find and select Blocked Members. You'll see a list of profiles you've blocked on your account. Locate the person you want to restore access to and click Unblock next to their name. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm your choice. For security, you'll be prompted to enter your account password. Type your LinkedIn password carefully. This step ensures that only you can make changes to your blocked list. After entering your password, click Unblock Member to finalize. A few things to keep in mind once you've unblocked someone. First, unblocking allows that person to find and view your profile again based on your current visibility settings, but it does not automatically restore connections or follower status. If you were previously connected and want to reconnect, you'll need to send a new invitation. Second, LinkedIn has a waiting period. After unblocking, you won't be able to block the same member again for 48 hours. That's normal and built into the platform. Finally, if you don't immediately see changes, give it a moment and refresh your page. Updates typically take effect right away. That's it. Quick and straightforward. You searched for LinkedIn, opened the site, went to the Me menu, chose Settings and Privacy, navigated to Visibility, opened Blocked Members, clicked Unblock, entered your password, and confirmed by selecting Unblock Member. Follow these steps anytime you need to manage your blocked list and keep your LinkedIn experience aligned with your current needs.